Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will explore the concept of frugal living and how it can lead to financial freedom and a more fulfilling life. Frugal living is not about deprivation or sacrificing quality, it's about making intentional choices to optimize your spending, reduce waste, and focus on what truly matters. Join us as we dive into the world of frugal living, exploring practical tips and strategies to embrace simplicity and achieve your financial goals. Number 1. Understanding frugal living. Frugal living is a lifestyle choice that emphasizes mindful spending, resourcefulness, and prioritizing experiences over material possessions. It involves making conscious decisions to optimize your expenses, minimize waste, and live within your means. Number 2. Assessing your financial situation. Take a close look at your current financial situation. Evaluate your income, expenses, and debts. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary spending and redirect those funds toward your financial goals. Number 3. Creating a budget. A budget is a powerful tool for frugal living. Create a comprehensive budget that outlines your income, fixed expenses, and discretionary spending. Set realistic limits for different categories and track your expenses diligently to ensure you stay on track. Number 4. Prioritizing needs over wants. Practice discernment by distinguishing between needs and wants. Prioritize your essential expenses such as food, shelter, utilities, and healthcare, and limit discretionary spending on non-essential items. This helps you focus your resources on what truly matters. Number 5. Practicing mindful shopping. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and priorities. Consider if it's a necessity or if there are more affordable alternatives. Embrace the habit of comparison shopping, using coupons, and waiting for sales to maximize savings. Number 6. Embracing minimalism. Minimalism is an integral part of frugal living. Embrace the concept of owning less and simplifying your life. Declutter your home, donate or sell unused items, and resist the temptation of impulse purchases. A minimalist approach can lead to financial savings and a sense of freedom. Number 7. Cooking at home and meal planning. Eating out can quickly drain your finances. Opt for cooking meals at home and embrace meal planning. Plan your meals for the week, create a shopping list, and buy groceries in bulk. This not only saves money but also promotes healthier eating habits. Number 8. Emphasizing quality over quantity. Frugal living doesn't mean compromising on quality. Invest in durable and long-lasting products rather than constantly buying cheap, low-quality items that need frequent replacement. Quality purchases can save you money in the long run. Number 9. Saving on utilities. Reduce your utility bills by implementing energy-saving measures. Unplug electronics when not in use, switch to energy-efficient light bulbs, adjust your thermostat, and be mindful of water consumption. These small changes can add up to significant savings over time. Number 10. Embracing DIY and learning new skills. Develop your DIY skills and embrace the satisfaction of doing things yourself. From simple home repairs to gardening and crafting, learning new skills not only saves money but also fosters a sense of self-sufficiency and creativity. Number 11. Utilizing free and low-cost entertainment. Frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing enjoyment. Explore free or low-cost entertainment options such as local parks, community events, libraries, and free online resources. Engage in activities that enrich your life without straining your budget. Number 12. Building a savings habit. Allocate a portion of your income towards savings. Set up automated transfers to a separate savings account and treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Aim to build an emergency fund and save for future goals such as homeownership, education, or retirement. Number 13. Investing in yourself. Investing in personal development and education can yield long-term financial benefits. Expand your knowledge and skills through books, online courses, workshops, or networking events. Investing in yourself enhances your earning potential and opens up new opportunities. Number 14. Building a supportive community. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your values of frugal living. Join online communities, attend local meetups, or engage in forums where you can exchange ideas, tips, and success stories. A supportive community can provide encouragement and accountability. Number 15. Celebrating milestones and progress. Celebrate your frugal living milestones and progress along the way. Whether it's paying off debt, reaching a savings goal, or achieving a financial milestone, take time to acknowledge your accomplishments. This reinforces positive habits and motivates you to continue your frugal living journey. Frugal living is a transformative approach to personal finance that empowers you to take control of your financial future. By embracing simplicity, making mindful choices, and optimizing your spending, you can achieve financial freedom, reduce stress, and focus on what truly matters in life. Start implementing these frugal living strategies today and watch your financial well-being flourish. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more insightful content on personal finance, budgeting, and strategies for achieving financial independence.